Good morning, class 6. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the sixth video lecture of the chapter Getting to Know Plants. In last few videos, we have seen root system, types of root, function of root, and modification of root. Okay. In coming video, we are going to see shoot system. So, what is shoot? As the definition says, the part of the plant that remains under the ground is called root, and the part of the plant that is above the ground is called shoot. Okay, so if you see a typical plant, this whole part, this is called shoot, but a shoot includes leaf, it may include flowers, it may include fruits, and it may should include leaf, flower, stem, and fruit. So, what is shoot? If generally you are saying part of the plant that is above the ground is called shoot. If I am saying shoot system, then we are saying shoot system include stem, leaf, fruit, and flowers. So we have to study everything in detail. So in today's video, we are going to see about stem. So what is stem? The hardest part of the plant is called stem. So this main axis or the main plant means the hardest part of the plant is called stem. If we are studying stem, we have to discuss some points. So while studying stem, some points has to be discussed. That is nodes, that is internodes, axillary bud, and apical buds. So what is node? See here, point on the stem from where the leaves originate, means point on the stem from where leaf originate. This is called node. This region is called node. What is internode? The region of the stem between two nodes, the area of the stem between two nodes are called internodes. Is called internodes. Okay. The angle between, this is the stalk of leaf, dantal. The angle between the stem and the stalk of the leaf is called axil. And tip of the is called apex. The tip of the stem is called apex. So the bud present at the axil is called axillary bud, and the bud present at the tip of the stem is called apical bud. So these 4 points you have to understand when you are dealing with stem. So what is node? The point on stem from where the leaves grow is called node. Okay, internode. Internode. The the reason of, actually, the portion of stem between two nodes are in the portion of stem between two nodes is called internode. See, one more thing I am saying here. If there is one more node here, you cannot say here and here. This is not internode. It is always between the two nodes, that is close to each other, means adjacent to each other. The portion of the stem between two nodes is called internodes. Next is axial. The angle between the stalk of a leaf and stem is called axial. So this angle is called axial, means लीफ का जो डंठल है उसके और स्टेम के बीच का जो एंगल है उस एंगल को बोलते हैं एक्सिल, एंड द बर्ड प्रेजेंट एट द एक्सिल इज कॉल्ड एक्सिलरी बर्ड, एंड द बर्ड प्रेजेंट एट द टिप ऑफ द stem or the branches. For example, there is one branch here, and in this branch if there is a bud here, then it is called apical bud. Means if the bud is present at this angle, then it is called axillary bud, and if it is present at the top or the top of the branch is called apical bud. Next is axillary buds. Birds present at the axils from which branches grow are called axillary birds. Next is apical birds. Birds present at the tip of stem or its branches are called apical birds. One more bird is there, that is called floral bird. Birds that change into flower is called floral birds. So birds that grow into flower are called floral birds. So if you are studying stem, so these 4 points you should know: what nodes, internodes, axillary birds, apical birds, and floral birds. Some more point that we have to see is the function of the stem. What is the function of the stem? Stem keeps the plant straight and upright. First point. Second point, the stem Bears means hold. Bears leaf, branches, flower and fruits, and spread them in all direction so that they function efficiently. For example, if leaf has to make photosynthesis, and if leaf is all together, only the leaf on the top will receive the sunlight. As we know, for photosynthesis sunlight is essential. So the stem will spread the leaf all direction so that the maximum leaf will receive the sunlight for photosynthesis. So we can say stem spread the parts or the organ of the plant in all directions so that it function efficiently. Third point, stem also have two pipeline. One pipe can conducts or carry water and minerals from soil to the leaf, and another pipe carries food from leaf to different part of the plant. 3 point. Fourth point, some stem get modified to store food. For example, sugarcane. Sugarcane is the example of modified stem. As you have seen, गन्ना चूसते हैं तो उसमें हार्ड पोर्शन आफ्टर कहते हैं ना. इफ this is sugar cane, you will get a node like this, a node like this, a node like this. So whenever there is node, we are talking about stem. So sugar cane is a modified stem which store food. So sugar cane juice is stored in the sugar cane stem. And last, sometime stem get modified for structural support, especially in case of climbers. So stem get modified into tendrils, and that help the climbers to climb. Okay, to save time I have written here, and I am not writing while making video because the video will become around 20 minutes long. So see here, the function of a stem, I will read it and it is written also. The stem holds the plant upright and supports the branches. First function. Second, stem bears branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. It spreads these organs out so that they function efficiently. Second point I have explained. Two sets of pipeline are present inside the stem. One conducts water and minerals to the leaves from root, and other carries food from the leaves to different part of the plant. 3 function. Fourth function, some stem get modified to store food. Example, potato, onion, sugarcane, turmeric. These are the example of stem. Actually potato and onion is underground stem. Stems of climbers get modified into thread-like coiled growth called tendrils, and it helps climbers to climb. So these are the function of the stem. Okay, so hope you understand. If you still anyone have any problem, you can ask in the